I'm Brighton West, and I started doing online video before YouTube even existed. So back in the early 2000s, I was living in Atlanta. My friends worked for CNN, and that was our form of entertainment. We'd have big parties where we would show videos, and we'd upload those videos to the internet, and they would show up like these tiny little windows online, because that's all we could get back in that day. And it was difficult and it was expensive. But today there is YouTube, which is easy and free. And if you are just starting out on your online video journey, this is the perfect time for you to start. Back to my life, I moved from Atlanta to Portland, Oregon, started doing short form documentaries with the Northwest Documentary. And that was a really great learning experience for me to learn how to produce those nonfiction, the stories, and how to have something that's really engaging in a short form content. So the next thing I did was I created a web series, and the web series is called Vancouveria, if you've heard of Portlandia, and if you're from the Pacific Northwest, you might know what we're talking about. There is a Vancouver, USA, that's a suburb of Portland, and it is just like the exact opposite of Portland. It was a very successful local web series. It didn't go national because people thought we were making fun of Vancouver, BC. It didn't quite make sense because Vancouver, BC is a pretty cool place. But anyway, it was popular here locally, and this was kind of the turning point in my career, is when a local magazine did a story about Vancouveria featuring the lead actor and didn't even mention me. And I was like, wow, you know, I'm behind the scenes, I'm writing these things, I'm producing, I'm directing, I'm funding this whole thing, and here's the guy that's on camera who may or may not know his lines when he shows up. He's getting all the glory. And that's when I realized that you have to be on the camera to get any of the glory. And I'm hoping that you guys, as you're watching this, you know, maybe it's starting to work with you and you're like, oh yeah, you know, I need to be able to start to get comfortable on camera, because that's where the gold is in making online video. So once I was doing the web series, people started asking me, well, how do I do that? How do I get to do online video? And so I, you know, started helping people with their web series, and quickly learned that there was no money there. So I learned quickly that you have to have clients that have money, and you have to help them make money if you want to make money. And that was Nathan Barry from ConvertKit that shared that tip with me, and it moved me into working in the marketing and online course space, helping people create their online videos and their online courses. And I work specifically with professional coaches, life coaches, executive coaches, but the material that Chris and I are going to present today really applies to anyone who's creating videos online. So I think, you know, if you're watching live, feel free to put any questions down in the comment section. But other than that, you know, Chris will see those comments. He'll pop them in as we go. But other than that, I think I'm ready to pull up my slideshow if you're ready, Chris. How to find the content that your audience will love.
To watch the rest of this epic webinar, visit ProCoachTV.com and claim your free membership. Do it now. You'll be glad you did. Are you still here? What are you waiting for? Go to ProCoachTV.com right now and claim your free membership.